Manuel Manlagas Bonoan, born August 5, 1945, is a Filipino businessman and engineer who served as the 40th Secretary of Public Works and Highways from June 30, 2022 until his resignation on September 1, 2025. An associate of the DPWH since 1967. He had previously served as secretary in an acting capacity in 2007. Bonoan was the president and chief executive officer of SMC Tollways. Bonoan received his degree in civil engineering from the Mapua Institute of Technology in the late 1960s. Bonoan later acquired a graduate degree in highway engineering at the University of New South Wales in Australia. Bonoan began working at the Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH in 1967, when he was in his senior year in college, and the agency was named the Department of Public Works, Transportation and Communications DPWTC. He served as Assistant Secretary for Planning during the tenures of Presidents Corazon Aquino and Fidel V. Ramos, and as Undersecretary during the tenures of Presidents Joseph Estrada and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Bonoan also served as Acting Director of the MT Pinatubo Rehabilitation Project Management Office MPRPMO in 1996 and as Chairman of the Pre-Qualification, Bids and Awards Committee PBAC for construction projects in Visayas and Mindanao in the early 2000s. During Arroyo's administration, he served as acting secretary of the DPWH from February to July 2007. President-elect Bongbong Marcos selected Bonoan to lead the DPWH when Marcos assumed the presidency in June 2022. He succeeded Acting Secretary Roger Mercapa, who had in turn succeeded Mark Viller, who resigned for a senatorial campaign in the 2022 elections. He pledged for the continuation of unfinished projects and public-private partnerships under the Build program of President Rodrigo Duterte, as well as prioritize the checking of river basins for flood control projects and pursue ventures that would help the agriculture and tourism industries. He resigned from the post effective September 1, 2025, amidst the flood control project's controversy. Bonoan was a president and chief executive officer of SMC Tollways, the operator of Skyway, NAIA Expressway, South Luzon Expressway, the Southern Tagalog Arterial Road, and Tarlac, Pangasinan and La Union Expressway Tollways. He was also president of the Skyway O&M Corporation, the operator of Skyway and NAIA Expressway led by Raymond A. Ngee, prior to his involvement with SMC Tollways. Bonoan is married to Yolanda S. Bonoan. They have 2 children. His daughter, Fatima Gay, is a real estate broker currently serving as coup and treasurer of the MBB Global Properties Corp., which owns the Wyndham Garden Hotel in Clark Freeport, Angeles City, Pampanga. Bonoan is a resident of Solsona, Ilocos Norte. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.